Ratchet. Come in.
Is that Captain Qwark?
Clank? Well, I'll be Scrunch's uncle. Where'd you come from?
There's no time to explain. We need to stop Nefarious from reaching the clock. We're on our way to the station now, but you have to find a way to stall him.
Way ahead of you, Ratchet. In fact, I'm further undercover than I've ever been before. Ever. In fact, when we get home, let's never talk about this again.
We will meet you outside the station. Ratchet and Clank out.
But the Agorians asked me to let you know there's a new tournament opening up here at the Battleplex. I think they're still sour about your last victory. Just drop by the Cortho sector if you're looking to pick up some, extra scratch.
Good evening. This is Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks. Tonight, the topic on everyone's mind is the season finale of Lance and Janice. The longtime soap opera known for its edgy writing and steamy drama enraged fans when its 10th season ended somewhat abruptly. Dr. N, you're on the air.
Greetings, Pepper. Long-time listener, first-time caller.
Hello, Doctor. And what was your problem with the season finale?
It was a cliffhanger! How annoying is that? Why didn't they just finish the story?
You sound a bit angry. Why the rage?
Because this is just another example of squishy oppression, designed to torment hard-working robots across the universe. The writers on that show should be annihilated!
Thanks, Doctor. Well, you heard him. One enraged fan calling for the execution of the Lance and Janice writing staff.
Oh, I wouldn't want to be them. We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor.
Ratchet, come in. I'm on an asteroid inside the main perimeter. Come meet me as soon as you can.
I have triangulated Captain Qwark's position. Sinking to your nav unit now.
Fresh off the assembly line at Grummelnet HQ. Welcome back, Chief.
You do not see us infiltrating your evil. Set it out. You do not see us infiltrating your evil citadel.
Hey, look who it is! Welcome back, little guy. Am I glad you're here? You know who's a terrible sidekick. Some people just don't take our line of work seriously.
Hey, I'm not the one sitting on the sidelines while everyone else marches into certain death.
Sit on the sidelines and let this baby go to waste? It's one of those cool smoke bombs the spies use. You know, for making quick and fancy getaways. Oh, forget it. Here, it's my most ingenious, foolproof plan yet. The Nefarious space station. An impenetrable fortress fraught with danger and, windows. Using my feminine wiles, I was able to convince the custodial staff to temporarily reroute the South Wing trash chute. This will be our point of entry. With the motion sensors deactivated, we should have smooth sailing into the South Wing. Harnessing 8 years of high school theater workshops, I will remain undercover as the lovely Shannon. My objective will be to escort you here. Oops. That's a vacation picture from the Mactar Resort Single Mingle. Don't know how that got in there. I'll escort you here to a conveniently exposed thermal exhaust port. We will then endure rigorous calisthenics until we have lost enough body fat to squeeze through the port.
Maybe I should handle this part of the mission.
Sure, that sounds quicker. Now, that port leads directly to Nefarious's personal quarters. Using the gigamorphic holoray, you'll be able to scan him and create a holographic disguise for Ratchet. With the disguise engaged, we should be able to breeze past the guards and infiltrate Mission Control, where we'll use the main security terminal to atomize every docked ship in the fleet. With Nefarious trapped like a rat and the clock safe, we can contact galactic authorities so that I may bask in the awesome glow of their admiration.
All right, I have to ask, what's with the nurse's outfit?
Ingenious, isn't it? It's part of an elaborate deception plan. It mostly involves a lot of hip swinging and puppy dog eyes.
Well, white's certainly your color.
Oh, thanks. I always fancied myself a winter. Here we are. The final showdown between good and evil. Can you smell that? That's drama, baby.
I smell something, and it's definitely not drama.
Hey, look on the bright side. At least we're not being squished to death by the pistons.
Trash compactors initiated. Prepare to be compacted.
Cover me! I'm about to do something impressive. Muscles aching, arms burning, calves looking good.
Blockage detected in trash compactor 714. Shutting down compactor.
Ratchet, did you hear that? I did it! Ha-ha! Technology! I just made you my... That one was a little too close.
The troopers will be here any moment. We need to keep moving.
The maintenance sector is crawling with Nefarious's goons. This might call for a little finesse. Watch and learn. Hello there. I'm Nurse Shannon. This is Dr. Archibald von Fuzzypants and his robotic intern, Gundolf Metal Sprocket. Dr. Nefarious is expecting us.
You are not authorized. Prepare to die, Nurse Shannon.
How did they not fall for that?
Cold. Now. Go. That hurts. You do not infiltrate.
Squishies detected in maintenance sector. All units converge and destroy.
You do not see us infiltrating your evil citadel. Wow, that hurts. You do not see us infiltrating your evil citadel. That hurts. You do not see us infiltrating your evil citadel. Get out on the space station.